With Update Sheet Revision Parameters, you can read information from your revision clouds and store that information on your sheets. You can then schedule that information in a sheet list schedule. Go View and then Revisions. Make sure that you have an active revision that is not yet issued. Create revisions clouds on your sheets and write a comment on each revision cloud. Control that your revision clouds are in the correct revision. Then create the rest of your revision clouds. You can create revision clouds with your views, but we recommend doing them on your sheets. Once you're all done with all your revision clouds, go to View, Revisions, and issue the revision. The revisions are now issued and in read only. Go to Sheet Manager and update Sheet Revision Parameters. Select the revisions you'd like to update. Click OK. The revision information parameters have now been created on your sheets with the information from your revision clouds. The next step is to create a sheet list schedule with the information from your revision clouds. You can, for instance, include the sheet number and the revision information. Make sure to at least include the parameter Revision to Sequence parameter, since this is used for filtering the sheets that have been revised. The schedule includes the comments from the revision clouds. You can now filter to only show the revised sheets. Only the first line or comment is visible. The following lines will be visible when you put the schedule on a sheet. Create a sheet and put the schedule there. To structure the report, filter the schedule using the Revision to Sequence parameter. You may want to hide that parameter as well. The sheet now only shows the revised sheets and their revision information.